Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bones TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
What? So do we eat it, Queenie? Eat it what? What is it? If him eat what? Is the you need to take some of my and drink it to get appetite. And then you will know who eat what you not for ask. So you never have to ask me who eat. Cause you know you eat. What are we now? You have eaten disorder. So you worry about eating. Don't worry about that. I soon jump in there. I bet if I do, I wake you up. You need to get somebody to eat. That is for me to know and you to find out. If I tell you say yes, you're not gonna know if I true. If I tell you no, you're still not gonna know. And then you have to ask a question because you will know. Listen, you see if you do something and you're not there, and you come and you say, Queenie, are you the thief the apple? Remember you're not there, you know. If me tell you yes, you don't know. If me tell you no, you're not gonna know. So all you have to do is name the blood apple. Yeah, and then you would know what eating is about. I wake up early every morning. Every morning. The most discriminated thing to know. Like God meant me to be who I am. Alright, back to the reason now. So, it's not about fool on yourself to make a presentation to say Queenie nasty. And nothing to do with nastiness. Queenie will love you. You know, some will love your woman. You don't Queenie, but it's true though. So, them teach you when we are going to say, self-praise is no recommendation. Them teachers say we forget the man the fish tail. The fish tail are the better part of the man. No. Are we at the head, the woman? Without a woman, no man can maintain. If they have a woman I work with them, we are the stronger edge. But from back in the days, them trick and tell we say we are the tail. When I man in my tail, we get the fish tail. Check the logic, no man. Them say the tail are the best part of the fish. And the man forget it. You know why the man forget the tail? Because they are brains. We sit down and say we give him 10 gal when him not have none. You hear that? We give him 10 gal when him not have none yet. That's how we calculated. We think mile a minute more than them. See them now, them say 1 gal up. So we pre them. We say look like a 1 gal at him on the phone with some. We look like him gone out this go and talk to 1 gal. We look like him Bridget call him and tell him, I would pre many. Them not half pre one. Some guys through them think with them. So 1 gal, that's how I have power. You have 1 gal, we can make 20 money that eat that and him care the whole lot of money. Just because him get the hard one there. We know. Like I say, you know what this up? When I talk a little conscious people. Because some girls just for that, just to explain. Like conscious me now, first thing I say, long time thing I don't want a man. So that motherfucker conquer me. If I go do something so spontaneous that it fascinates me, that's me now. I go contradict myself for step back. And me see, that's why them say the same out we say no, come back, come say yes. You know, we do it what my husband said to me 2 days ago, not yesterday. Yes, it was yesterday. You know, my husband said to me yesterday, and so crazy a long time I look, you know. And I say, oh, him say a long time I send a message, and I send a little things I not pay, me no mind, you know. You hear that? Years. I may always remember the name One Connection Boss, but because I'm a jovial person, I interact with people. So it's me, you know, when one man come to me, I'm a bit low on defense. If I sleep, low on defense. So it's when me hear do it say, a long time, I look my ears, I know the name One Connection Boss, but I talk to enough people. And when my brother did know on him WhatsApp me, him say I have around 4 different numbers for me. That's how long do we know me. But as I tell him, I recall the name, but I don't remember no feature with him. And 2 days ago, him tell me that. Say over 4 numbers him have for me. And when my brother did know him WhatsApp me and say, why go on double tap Queen? I say, who this? Them have all the voice note, them I go play them phone now. But Friday do it Friday now back at the things that were said to me. I look when he becomes my husband. But I not pay him no mind all this time. That's why I say a powerful youth. Don't ramp with June plum. That's why I'm get for married to me. And I have so much defense. I say, who this him say a man? I'm a voice note him back and say, I don't want no man. I don't have no man. Leave me alone. I say, him say, want meet me. Yeah, when he come to class, I say, look how that come on. But I mind the glimmer string him brighty. See much I say no, say yes. And look at me and do it now. It's such a real story when we can repeat it 1 million times and it's just nice, just beautiful. Because it's natural. So me and I say, when do we come look for me the first time and him I go, I say to him, say, I don't lead on people and I don't want no man. So don't look me. 2 weeks after him say, me I call her back and him tell me, and I don't lie. As for Joe Plum come in now, if you have a husband, I constantly tell her, I say, no true, I go now like a bring in, and I gonna say, like a flow with me and him. I'm not going to discriminate with. I really love we have another house on a road. I don't understand on yourself. When you take people life upon your head and want to dictate, it's not about that. Everything with me I do it natural. Natural, double tap. Remember the first time he messaged me and said double tap Queen. And I double tap him play when I go beg him the June plum. I say him get. And if somebody did tell me a day before, upon Ziggy birthday, I take Dewey, you know. The first time, the 8th of September. Yesterday, when me I talked to Dewey, the 7th. And me I said to him, so last year, man, Ziggy did out here. And tomorrow, go be Ziggy birthday. Me no know, me I go get involved with Dewey tomorrow, you know. He said, tomorrow, the thing is, he said, tomorrow, when me I go take Dewey, God make from me wake up and do it in my brains, you know. I forgot about Ziggy, you know. Me no remember say Ziggy birthday, you know. Cause remember say me just break up with Ziggy here, you know. Me and Ziggy break up, so that little closure then not dead it. Me just dead and say me no want nobody in my defense. I said when, oh God man, it's when the second time him come look for me on my camera and me had a mummy say, what more you bring for me? I say, mummy, where you know him from? And she said, he's a good fan. You come back a second time. I was here the first time he was talking to me and I said, oh, that's how much me no remember say me the car do it. I see him place Yvette there, so I meet him at Yvette and we have floor walk around them. Me no remember. Because I'm not interested in us do it. So this is Ziggy birthday, you know, that pause me and showing in. So one type say answer doesn't matter. It's become a terrible. My answer on the back, but don't think say no can't stop. It's not even me can't stop it. Cause the defense of me have been do it. And when Mummy said, I like him, man, he was talking about the cat. You carry me when you leaving, gone by your business, and me and him was talking. And when mommy said that, I feel so guilty because you know my mom, you know, might not know, you know. But it's my mom words, them comfort me no matter what I do. If she say good to me, I want to hear her words. And just that make me feel guilty. And I sit down there with Dewey. Mommy said, I like him, I don't get a drink. But Dewey doesn't drink, really. Dewey just taste drink. Remember me not know this, you know. So mommy give him the glass of drink and me and him up on the veranda, on the car porch, and Dewey a sweat. And him not drink the drink. Me did around 1 hour, me just a chat. And me just take up the glass. We learn the glass cast of some Baileys my mom give me. She never ever give me none. Yeah? I do it, she give the drink, and me just go so. And go up on the wall light and say to him, say, me don't even tell him, say, not drink the drink. Me just say, come me carry you home, carry your house, because me a drive and him not drive. And me carry my yard. Drop him off my yard. It's like 70 now, so tomorrow the 8th me I go get him now. So me drop him my yard now, the 7th. I'ma go back, mommy say, what do we in outer father? After I tell his boy, so me like him go and don't tell me, say him go. That is our next guiltiness at 2, something that my mother said now, you know. You know, the house tonight, my auntie, you know. My mama single, you know. Me and Rachel chat to take picture, cause me and Rachel R.I.P. You know, my room, my auntie. I have time do it, cause I feel bad now, and I'm still not know I'm gonna get him, you know. And as daylight, me call him. No, me message him. And I say, why go on my friend? You know, I'm the mango tree up in your yard, cause just so my mom say, make me feel a way, you know. So I say, not me, I say, oh God, me really not pay the youth no mind. I said, no, not the mango tree, but I'm droop. That time I go get man now, I'm in a new, you know. So true, I feel bad, because you know me, me's a loving person, caring person. And I said, the youth come look for me, I'm really not paying no mind, you know. Tell him me I come. Drop asleep as me telling the truth. It's like the whole night me I think about Dewey and don't even realize I'm a fall for Dewey. That me realize now. But fall for Dewey, but through my defense out, me don't realize I'm a fall for him. Because me telling him, me not sleep the night. Me start think back and say, when him come the first time, because me tell you why me did have a defense to him again. When him come meet me the first time at event, him put him, say, beg your video, and I said to him, say, WhatsApp status. And him phone start ping and him there and laugh. I say, hey, Queenie, them time them a call me Queenie, you know, now him a call me crazy to him get me. Anyway, and him say, Queenie, I don't remember what him call me. Him say, I bear people upon my status. I said, me here there, you know, and the girl them with upon him status start class me. I say, yeah, not that, and him there and laugh. Say all that, me just tell him, say, listen, me no want no man in the don't look me. Alright, that is that. So back to the 7th now. So when I wake up and ask him for the mango now, I drop back asleep because the night before me I think about Dewey. I saw me now.